The question of plane is the statement. Find the question of plane through the points and perpendicular to the plane. Solution. Plane passes through point 1 minus 2, 2 and minus 3, 1 minus 2, a into x minus 1 plus b, y plus 2 plus c, z minus 2 equals to 0, 1. And plane 1 passes through point minus 3, 1 minus 2. Minus 4a plus 3b minus 4c equals to 0. And plane 1 perpendicular to given plane x plus 2y minus 3z equals to 5. The direction ratio of plane 1 ABC, the direction ratio of given plane 1, 2, minus 3 are perpendicular if a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equals to 0, a 1 into a 2 into b minus 3 into c equals to 0. 3. Solving 2 and 3 by cross multiplication method, a upon minus 9 plus 8 b upon minus 4 plus 12 plus 4 c upon minus 8 minus 3 a upon minus 1 b upon minus 16 c upon minus 11 equals to k, a equals to minus k, b equals to minus 16 k, c equals to minus 11 k. Putting these values in 1, plane 1 minus k x minus 1 minus 16 k y plus 2 minus 11 k z minus 2 equals to 0, x plus 16y plus 11z 1 minus 1 20 to 23, 23 minus 32, 9. That is the required equation of the plane. We find out the equation of plane through the given points and perpendicular to the plane. The plane passes through the points 1 minus 2, 2. Plane 1 also passes through 3 minus 3, 1, 2. And plane 1 perpendicular to the given plane. And solving 2 and 3, the value of ABC, direction ratio minus 1, minus 16, minus 11. Putting in plane 1, we get the required solution. Next question. The question: a plane meets a plane makes intercept a plane makes intercept O equals to A, OB equals to B, OC equals to C, respectively on the coordinate axis. On the coordinate axis. So that the area of triangle ABC is half root B square C square C square A square B square. Solution: plane x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c equals to 1. The similar triangle x y z a b c O equals to A, OB equals to B, that is intercept delta x half BC, delta y half CA, delta z half AB. Area of triangle delta equals to root delta x square, delta y square, delta z square. Delta equals to root 1/4 b square c square, 1/4 c square a square, 1/4 a square b square. Area of triangle ABC equals to half root b square c square, c square a square b square. That's all. That is the area of the triangle ABC.